Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talking Habit. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mike. Hi, Lisa. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Mike. I'm excited about today's lesson.
Me too. Today, we're going to learn something very important.
Yes, today we're learning how to introduce yourself in English.
Introducing yourself. This means telling people about you, your name, your job, where you're from.
Exactly. When you meet someone new, the first thing you do is introduce yourself.
This is so important because it's usually the first thing you say to someone.
Right. If you have a good introduction, people will remember you. If your introduction is not good, it can be awkward.
Awkward means uncomfortable or embarrassing.
So we want to help you make a great first impression.
A first impression is the first feeling someone has about you when they meet you.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to English Talking Habit.
Yes, hit that subscribe button if you want to learn English in a fun and easy way.
We post new lessons every week to help you speak English confidently.
Okay, Lisa, let's start teaching.
Let's do it.
Lisa, what's the most basic way to introduce yourself?
The most basic introduction is very simple. You say, "Hi, I'm," and then your name.
That's it? Just, hi, I'm Mike?
Yes, that's the simplest way. "Hi, I'm Lisa."
But we can also say, hello, my name is Mike.
Right, both are correct. "Hi, I'm Lisa," or "Hello, my name is Lisa."
So, what's the difference?
"Hi, I'm Lisa" is more casual, more relaxed. You use it with friends, classmates, or in informal situations.
Casual means relaxed, not formal. Like when you're at a party or meeting new friends.
Yes, but "Hello, my name is Lisa" is more formal, more polite.
Formal means official or professional. You use it in business, at work, or with older people.
Exactly. So if I'm meeting my friend's friend, I say, "Hi, I'm Lisa."
But if you're meeting your boss's boss, you say, hello, my name is Lisa Brown.
Perfect. You understand. Let me give you more examples.
Okay, go ahead.
Situation 1. You're at a coffee shop and someone sits next to you. You can say, "Hi, I'm Lisa. Nice to meet you."
That's friendly and casual. Situation 2, you're at a job interview. You say, hello, my name is Michael Johnson. Thank you for meeting with me.
Notice Mike used his full name, Michael Johnson, not just Mike. In formal situations, use your full name.
Good point. In casual situations, use your first name only. In formal situations, use your first and last name.
Let's practice. Mike, introduce yourself casually.
Hi, I'm Mike. What's your name?
Great. Now introduce yourself formally.
Hello, my name is Michael Brown. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Excellent. Did everyone hear the difference? Okay, so we know how to say our name, but usually people want to know more about you.
Right. After you say your name, what else can you say?
You can talk about 3 things: where you're from, what you do, and your hobbies.
Let's start with where you're from. This means your hometown or country.
Yes, you can say, "I'm from," and then your city or country.
For example, I'm from New York or I'm from Japan.
Or you can say, "I come from." It's the same meaning. "I come from Mexico."
Both are correct. I'm from Brazil or I come from Brazil.
Now let's talk about what you do. This means your job, or if you're a student.
If you work, you say I'm a and then your job. For example, I'm a teacher.
Or "I work as a nurse." Both are correct.
If you're a student, you say I'm a student or I study at and then your school name.
For example, "I'm a student," or "I study at City University."
Now, hobbies. Hobbies are things you do for fun in your free time.
Right. You can say, I like or I enjoy, and then your hobby.
For example, I like reading or I enjoy playing basketball.
Or you can say, in my free time, and then what you do.
In my free time, I watch movies or in my free time, I cook.
Let me put it all together now. Listen to my full introduction.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm from California. I'm an English teacher. In my free time, I like hiking and reading books.
Perfect. That's a complete introduction. You told us your name, where you're from, your job, and your hobbies.
Now you try, Mike. Give us your full introduction.
Okay. Hello, my name is Mike. I come from Chicago. I work as a marketing manager. I enjoy playing guitar and cooking.
Excellent. That's exactly right.
Lisa, do we introduce ourselves the same way in every situation?
No, that's a great question. We introduce ourselves differently depending on the situation.
Can you give us some examples?
Sure, let's talk about 3 situations: meeting a new classmate, meeting someone at a party, and introducing yourself in a professional meeting.
Okay, first situation, meeting a new classmate.
This is casual and friendly. You can say, "Hey, I'm Lisa. Are you in Professor Smith's class too?"
That's nice and friendly. You asked a question to start a conversation.
Exactly. When you meet classmates, it's good to ask questions like, "What's your major?" or "Is this your first year?"
Major means your main subject of study in college. For example, my major is biology.
Right. Second situation, meeting someone at a party.
This is also casual, but maybe more relaxed because it's a party.
Yes, you can say, "Hi, I'm Lisa. How do you know David?" if David is the host of the party.
That's a good icebreaker. An icebreaker is a question or comment that helps start a conversation.
Yes, at parties, it's good to ask, "How do you know the host?" or "Are you having a good time?"
Third situation, introducing yourself in a professional meeting.
This is formal. You need to be polite and professional.
You can say, "Good morning, everyone. My name is Michael Brown. I'm the new marketing coordinator for the development team. I look forward to working with all of you."
Notice I used my full name, said my job title, and said something positive.
Job title means your position or role at work, like manager, assistant, or director.
In professional situations, it's good to also mention your company or department.
For example, I'm Mike Johnson from the sales department, or I work in the IT team.
Exactly. Let's practice all 3. Mike, introduce yourself as if we're classmates.
Hey, I'm Mike. I notice you're in the English class too. What brings you here?
Nice. Now introduce yourself as if we're at a party.
Hi there, I'm Mike. I'm a friend of Tom's from college. How about you?
Great. Now introduce yourself in a professional meeting.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Michael Brown. I'm the new project manager for the development team. I look forward to working with all of you.
Perfect. You changed your style for each situation.
Mike, a lot of English learners make mistakes when introducing themselves. Can we talk about some common mistakes?
Yes, that's important. Let's help people avoid these mistakes.
Mistake number 1, saying, I am come from Japan.
Oh, I hear this mistake a lot. You should not say, "I am come from."
Right. Say, I'm from Japan, or I come from Japan. Don't use both am and come together.
Correct. I am from Japan or I come from Japan. Pick one.
Mistake number 2, forgetting to smile and make eye contact.
This is not about words, but it's very important. When you introduce yourself, smile and look at the person.
Yes, even if your English is not perfect, a smile and eye contact make you seem friendly and confident.
Confident means you believe in yourself. You're not too nervous.
Mistake number 3, giving too much information.
What do you mean?
Some people say too many things in their introduction. For example, "Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm from California. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. My dog's name is Max. I like pizza. My favorite color is blue. I studied in Paris for 6 months."
Okay, that's too much.
See, keep your introduction short, just the important information. Name, where you're from, what you do, maybe one hobby.
Right. You can talk about other things later in the conversation.
Mistake number 4, speaking too quietly.
This is a big problem for shy people. They introduce themselves very quietly and people can't hear them.
Yes, you need to speak clearly and with enough volume. Volume means how loud you speak.
Even if you're nervous, try to speak clearly so people can understand you.
And mistake number 5, not asking the other person's name.
Oh yes, after you introduce yourself, you should ask, "What's your name?" Or, "And you are?"
Right, don't just talk about yourself, show interest in the other person too.
You can say, "Nice to meet you. What's your name?" Or, "I'm Lisa. And you?"
These small questions make you seem polite and interested.
Lisa, let's give our viewers some useful phrases they can use when introducing themselves.
Great idea. Let's start with greetings. Greetings are how you say hello.
For casual situations, you can say, "Hi," "Hey," "Hello," or "What's up?"
For formal situations, you can say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening.
Never say good night when meeting someone. Good night is for saying goodbye, not hello.
That's an important point. Good night means goodbye. Use good evening for hello at night.
Now, phrases for saying your name. We already learned I'm and my name is.
You can also say, you can call me if you have a nickname.
Nickname means a short name or a special name. For example, my full name is Michael, but you can call me Mike.
Or, I go by. For example, my name is Elizabeth, but I go by Liz.
Now, phrases for the end of your introduction.
You can say, nice to meet you, or it's a pleasure to meet you.
Nice to meet you is casual. It's a pleasure to meet you is more formal.
You can also say, I'm happy to be here, or I'm excited to meet everyone.
And don't forget to ask about the other person. Say, "And you," or "How about you?"
Or you can ask, what about you? Or what's your name?
Okay, everyone, let's review the important words we learned today.
Yes, we learned 6 important words. Let's go through them together.
First word, introduce. This means to tell people about yourself or to present someone to others. Let me introduce myself.
Second word, casual. This means relaxed, informal, not formal. We had a casual conversation.
Third word, formal. This means official, professional, or polite. He wore formal clothes to the meeting.
Fourth word, hobbies. These are activities you do for fun in your free time. My hobbies are reading and swimming.
Fifth word, confident. This means you believe in yourself and you're not too nervous. She felt confident during the presentation.
Sixth word, volume. This means how loud you speak. Please speak with more volume so everyone can hear you.
These 6 words are very useful. Practice using them.
Mike, we covered so much today.
We did. We learned how to introduce ourselves in different situations.
We talked about basic introductions, adding more information, different situations, common mistakes, and useful phrases.
Now I have a question for everyone watching.
Ooh, what's the question?
Here it is. How do you usually introduce yourself in English? Is it easy or difficult for you?
Great question. Please write your answer in the comments below.
You can write, "I usually say," and then your introduction.
For example, I usually say, "Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Brazil."
Try to use one of the vocabulary words we learned today in your comment.
Before we go, please remember to subscribe to English Talking Habit.
Yes, click that subscribe button so you don't miss our next lesson.
And if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up.
Share this video with friends who are learning English too.
Remember, introducing yourself is one of the first things you do when speaking English.
Practice your introduction many times so it becomes natural and easy.
You can practice in front of a mirror or record yourself on your phone.
The more you practice, the more confident you will feel.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Thank you so much for watching today.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.